This is the Better Than McDonald's Mcgriddle full recipe in the boxy box below. Let's start by making some crispy bacon, which is as easy as throwing it onto a wire rack and into a 400-degree preheated oven for 25 minutes. The folded egg omelet mix is very easy. Simply combine these ingredients, then whisk until thoroughly combined. The pancake mix is just as easy. Simply combine these ingredients, add the dry ingredients first until you have a smooth but thick batter, just like you see here. You can use circular molds, but we broke around these parts, so I'm using large mason jar lids. Either way, spray them with oil. Preheat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat, rub it down with butter, then add a third cup of your egg mix. Once it starts to firm up, start folding it over on itself. Now in a large preheated pan over medium heat, drop in your molds along with a couple tablespoons of the batter. Once you start seeing bubbles, that means it's time to flip. Give them a flip, and once cooked all the way through, remove them from the pan. Then cook up some quarter-pound patties using your favorite breakfast sausage. I used Bass Farm. By this time, your bacon is golden brown and crispy, so all that's left to do is build that sandwich. I used American cheese, but you can use whatever your favorite is. Let me know in the comments if McDonald's still does it better. Subscribe and click that notification bell to see my next upload.